of those products that I purchased, and I was pretty shocked, to be fair. Now, this came up on TikTok shop. Everybody loves it. And it's also available on Amazon at £19.99. Now, would I say it's worth that? I would probably, yeah. But I got this for, I think it was £4.60. Absolute bargain of the century, I would say. Little video playing at the start to show you what it can do. That was off the YouTube channel. But yeah, I thought I'd give a little review on it. If you just type in on TikTok or Amazon the A76 torch, it will come up with this product. Now, the only reason I bought this, it's super bright. It really is. I'll turn my main light off if I can. One tick. Oh, bear with me. So I've got no other lighting in here at the moment, and yeah, it is really, well, anyway, that's one thing I want to say to you. It's really bright. Now, let me just tell you its little party piece before we carry on with the video. Is this one. Really? For pranking your friends on a private road, you know, have they been pulled over? Yeah, I mean, I thought for £4.60, even at £10, £15, I'd probably still buy it. It's a definite win. It's a, let me just get my main light on. But yeah, for the blues and twos, that is, not blues and twos, for the emergency vehicle lighting, I should say. Yeah, it was worth buying just to see if that was going to be legit, and it is. It works. So, like I said, it's on Amazon for £19.99 with a £10% voucher at the moment. But I would have a search on TikTok for this one. Really bright light. It's got your main torch there, obviously, with a. I just can't weigh up how bright this is. It's supposedly 20,000 lumens. If that's correct, I don't know, but it is bright. You know, it's going to do anyone. Now, it is rechargeable. It comes with a little rechargeable cable, USB, and then you just flip this up here, charge it back up, and but yeah, it says it's waterproof. How waterproof it is, I wouldn't know, but probably for little splashes and that, I would say it's going to be a win. Metal front, obviously, to keep the bulb from overheating too much, and the rest of it is plastic. Now, the last one I had of these, I only bought it because I needed to replace it, was one of the similar sort of thing to this. Didn't have this bit here, similar sort of design, but it was running on these things here, the 18650 batteries, which are, you know, I was having to charge it all the time, and then I've got to unscrew it, take the battery out, find the charger, charge it up, pack in. But this, it's all sealed, charges up off USB, and yeah, it's one of those definite wins. Little power display LED there, as we can see. But if you're in the market for a little cheap torch, for the car or whatever, this is a handy bit of kit for sure. And it is bright, you know, for the price, it's a definite win. So yeah, I just thought I'd do a review on that quickly. It's it's pronounced BORUiT. I don't know. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it. These bloody Chinese names are mad. But yeah, anyway, it's a torch. It's the model number, the A76, LED, super bright, 20,000 lumens, rechargeable, 7 modes, USB-C, recharge, and yeah, tactical flashlight. Who would have thought? See you in the next video, guys.